Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this project, I'm using mixed media paper. Then I'm going to use some Distress Oxide spray, that is Mermaid Lagoon, Carved Pumpkin, and Blueprint Sketch. So first I'm going to shake the spray bottle and then I'm going to spray on the paper. This is a Mermaid Lagoon, and then I'm going to spray some water on the top. Then I'm going to heat dry it. Then I'm going to add the next color, that is carved pumpkin. So I'm going to shake properly and then I'm going to spray and then spray some water on the top. Then again I'm going to heat dry it. Then I'm going to add this blueprint sketch. I'm going to add that color in this. I'm just going to dab that and use it in different areas. Then I'm going to heat dry this. Now I'm going to add this stamp from PaperArtsy. I got this from Joggles. So if you don't have it, you can add whatever stamp is available. Then now I'm going to add another stamp from that same PaperArtsy. Now I'm going to dry everything before I go for the next step. Then I'm going to use this die. I use this die for cutting it, and this is like a white cardstock paper. And now I'm going to use the glue and adhere it on the project. Then now I'm going to uh, see what focal point I need to use. So I see that there was some white paper at the back of the focal point, so I'm going to trim that and take that out. I think it's okay to leave it, but I thought it will be nice to take it out because I didn't want that white thing to be seen. But you can color it also if you don't want to cut it. Um, but anyway, I did that, and before I stick that, I'm going to uh, add this washi tape. I'm going to take out the edges. Then I'm going to add the glue and then adhere it. Then I'm going to add this focal point now. Then I'm going to use, once it gets dry, I'm going to use pen, and I'm going to scribble a little bit. Now I'm going to splatter. I'm trying to add the uh, splatter black with black acrylic ink, and I'm going to use the brush and I'm going to splatter it. I think you can see it in the close-up pictures. So then I'm going to now finish this. I'm going to add the coat and then I'm going to finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project with new ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.